Techno Turtles pushing off some reds. Enter name here, looking like they're grabbing some green cubes to score into the goal. Techno Turtles pushes all those red cubes off the post. Looks like Techno Turtles is scoring some green cubes into that goal. Getting down to 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Enter name here is getting more green cubes in those goals to try to get those uniform goal bonuses. At 25 seconds, you must switch it out. Techno Turtles looks like they're going for a park. Enter name here, you get some more cubes in those goals for that 10-point bonus. If you get out of the last 10 seconds of the match, it looks like enter name here is going for a park. Will they get it in time? Looks like they are crossing. All right, we got qualification number 3. We have 54,000.